In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your own Salesforce Lightning Page template in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will help you create a visually appealing and functional page tailored to your needs. So, let's dive in and explore the steps to make it happen. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right of the screen, where you will find the gear icon, also known as the Setup menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Advanced Setup. This will guide you to the powerful tools and features Salesforce has to offer for your customization needs. Next, navigate to the Quick Find bar, which is one of the handiest tools within Salesforce Setup. Here, type in Lightning App Builder and select it from the list that appears. Once there, you'll see an option to start fresh. Click New and select Lightning Page to embark on your page creation journey. As you get started, you'll be prompted to choose the type of page you'd like to create. You have options such as record page, app page, or home page. Each offers unique functionalities tailored to specific needs. Consider what you plan to achieve with this page and select accordingly. After making your selection, hit Next to proceed. Now it's time to choose a starting layout. Salesforce provides a straightforward selection: one column, two columns, or a custom template. Each layout delivers different visual dynamics, so choose one that aligns best with your content strategy and the user experience you aim to provide. With the layout selected, the real magic begins. You'll now see a blank canvas where you can start building your unique page. Use the drag and drop method to add components. You can integrate standard components readily available on Salesforce, or if you wish to add a personal touch, there's the option to incorporate custom components or Lightning Web components. Simply drag your chosen components onto the preferred sections of your layout. Once you've placed your components, you'll want to tweak them to fit perfectly with your design vision. Click on each component to adjust properties such as height and width. You can even set filters or employ dynamic visibility settings to enhance the interactivity of your page. Now it's crucial to preview your page. This step allows you to review the layout and functionality, ensuring everything appears as it should and operates smoothly. If you're satisfied with how it looks and functions, it's time to finalize your masterpiece. The concluding step involves saving your work. Click Save, then Activate. Here, you are given the flexibility to assign your newly crafted page as the organization default, app default, or even tailor it for specific profiles, allowing for a customized user experience across your organization. And there you have it, your own Salesforce Lightning Page template, ready for action. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.